Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Transform your living spaces into heavens of style with the latest wallpaper designs that effortlessly elevate your room's aesthetic. Embrace contemporary home interior inspiration as you explore a myriad of patterns, textures, and colors that breathe life into your walls. Whether you opt for chic geometric prints, nature-inspired motifs, or timeless textures, each design has the power to redefine your space. The interplay of modern elements and artistic flair in these wallpaper creates a visually stunning backdrop, setting the tone for a sophisticated and welcoming atmosphere. Let your walls become a canvas of expression, reflecting your unique taste and personality. The seamless integration of these on-trend wallpaper designs not only enhances the visual appeal but also adds a touch of warmth and character to your home, ambience the fusion of innovation and comfort, making your living spaces not just functional but also a true reflection of contemporary design sensibilities. Elevate your surroundings, immerse yourself in the transformative power of the latest wallpaper trends, and turn your home into a stylish sanctuary that captivates and inspires. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.